Welcome back to the vlog. So, itong second part na to, um, nagstay na kami sa Cebu for like maybe mga 3 days. So, nung dumating kami, nag-ocean park kami. Tapos, dapat magpupunta kami ng yung safari zoo. Pero, kapos na sa time. And then, um, hindi na lang kami pumunta. So, instead, nagpunta kami sa binyag ata or birthday ng pamangkin ni Ate Rayan. And then, after that, we went to the Lapu-Lapu shrine, I think, na katabi lang ng San church dun sa Cebu. Which was really cool kasi pag nandito kami sa Vancouver, every Sunday, nagmimisa sikat ng dun sa Basilica, and it was really cool to see in person. Tapos, ang daming tao every time, every mass, and apparently it happens every hour. I'm not too sure. Tapos, after that, ayun, nag-light lang kami ng mga candles, and then I think this was also the last day that we're all like in Cebu together. That last full day. So, yun, lang kami. It's a very chill day. And then, after that, I went on this adventure all alone. So, ang plano namin ni Kat is mag-spend kami ng time together sa Cebu, all together with her family for a few days before I set off to like go explore on my own. And I chose to go to Siargao for like 4 days. And yeah, yun. Siargao is really nice. Maganda yung naging. Well, okay. So, akala ko kasi gusto ko yung mga solo traveling, choo-choo, eme-eme. But really, I realized that I like to be around people when I'm traveling because I don't know, I enjoy experiences with other people. And so when I was alone there the first day, I got really sick because I think my body was just getting used to like hot and cold, and then we were constantly in the heat, and then all of the places in the Philippines are like air conditioned, so when you go in it's cold and then your pawis gets dry. So I don't know, I got really sick, and then so the first day I like passed out. Like I stayed at a hostel and I just passed out completely from like 6 p.m. till the next day at 6 a.m. And then, nung next day, nagtanong na ako dun sa concierge, dun sa hostel, what tours to do and stuff. And sabi niya yung best tour daw, if limited lang yung time mo sa Siargao, is the Sohoton tour. So, I did that one. It cost like, I think 4,000 pesos for just myself, and then it also includes like transportation and also food. So I thought that was pretty good because like that's only $100, and it was like a full day of like things. So that was nice. Yeah, I have a video of it, but it was a great time, and it was also a great learning opportunity for me because I then realized that solo traveling is not for me. Dun din ako nag-surf for the first time, and it was great because I actually got to do it. But the only downside to that is I think dun ako na-injure sa plantar ko for, I don't know, maybe I landed differently or maybe I overextended my plantar when I like got up on the surfboard at one point. But yeah, after that, medyo sumakit na. And until now, like 3 months later, masakit pa rin yung plantar ko. So, it's okay. I was just not also fit to do, I don't know, a lot of strenuous, I don't know, activities. So that was that also. But anyways, yeah. I was supposed to stay there for 4 nights, 4 nights, 5 days, or maybe 3 nights, 4 nights, 4 nights. I was supposed to stay there for 4 nights, but I ended up just staying three because I was freaked out the last day, and it was only because I was sleeping and then I got up and I was getting ready for, I don't know, for the day. Pero when I woke up, there was an ipis right beside my bed, so medyo na freak out ako. And then I was like, okay, I wasn't enjoying like the solo trip anyway, so I just opted to just leave that day. And then pagkatapos nun, I left na for Ormoc. So yeah, that was good. But anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. I think really like these vlogs are just for our memories because I have no storage to put it in my head. So we're just using these vlogs to like document everything that's happening, every big thing that's happening in our life. And this was definitely one of them. It was the first time that Kat and I went to the Philippines together, and it was my first time to experience the Philippines like how I experienced it. So yeah, overall such a good experience. There's still some more vlogs to come because we have, I don't know, we were there for 2.5 weeks, okay? So there's still some to come. But anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. Here's my siargao adventure. There's not much, but here it is.
Philippine Civil Aviation. may butas dyan, ma'am. Yan. And down your head, ma'am. Okay.